Limble can support any team's workflow because it's the most customizable maintenance software on the market. Whether you're in agriculture or manufacturing, all the way to healthcare or food production, we provide you the tools to do your work better. Tools like the work request portal. Instead of wasting time and energy routing tasks to your team members, Limble can automate the process, notify team members, and give you back your time. You can create custom dashboards, see your calendar, and build reports that your company needs. No more guessing how much time and money an asset costs you. Need more staff or newer equipment? Limble provides the data to back up your request. With Limble, you get everything: asset management, parts inventory, vendor management, purchase order and tool checkout systems, and preventative maintenance. Oh yeah, and everything can be accessed from our mobile app. Whether you're here, it's all the way out here. No matter how you use your CMMS, Limble is the right tool for you. Request a demo today.